This is the fourth part of chapter 8, simple interest and compound interest, and in this part we are going to solve exercise 8b. So the question number 1, find the amount and the compound interest of rupees 5000 for 2 years at 8% per annum compounded annually. So in this exercise we are going to apply the long method to find the compound interest, that is by the simple interest formula. So let us see how to solve it. So for the first year my principal is rupees 5000, rate of interest is 8% per annum and the time is 1 year. So simple interest for 1 year is equal to P into R into T by 100, where the principal is 5000, rate of interest is 8 and time is 1 divided by 100, that is equal to rupees 400. So the amount for the first year is principal plus simple interest, that is 5000 plus 400 equals to 5400. Now the amount for this first year is going to be the principal for the second year. So the principal for the second year is equal to rupees 5400, rate of interest is 8% per annum and the time is equal to 1 year. So the simple interest for the second year is equal to 5400 into 8 into 1 divided by 100, which is equal to rupees 432. So the amount is equals to, again, principal plus simple interest. So the principal for the second year is 5400 plus 432 interest, which is equal to rupees 5832. Therefore the compound interest is equal to amount minus principal, that is 5832, minus the principal, that is the principal at the initial stage, that is in the first year, that is 5000, that is equal to rupees 832. So the amount at the end of second year is 5832 and the compound interest is equal to rupees 832. Now moving on to question number 3. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 2500 for 2 years compounded annually, the rate of interest being 6% during the first year and 8% during the second year. So again, for the first year the principal is rupees 2500, rate of interest is 6% per annum, time is equal to 1 year. So simple interest is equals to P into R into T by 100, that is 2500 into 6 into 1 by 100, that is equal to rupees 150. So amount is equal to principal plus simple interest, that is 2500 plus 150 is equals to rupees 2650. So this is the amount of the first year, that is 2650, which is the principal for the second year. Now for the second year, principal is equal to rupees 2650, rate of interest is 8% and the time is 1 year. So simple interest is equals to P into R into T by 100, so that is 2650 into 8 into 1 by 100, that is equal to rupees 212. So amount for the second year is equal to rupees 2650 plus 212, that is equal to rupees 2862. That therefore the amount at the end of the second year is 2862. Now how to find the compound interest? That is amount minus principal. So rupees 2862 minus the initial principal, that is 2500, is equal to rupees 362. So now moving on to question number 5. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 10,000 for 3 years at 10% per annum compounded annually. So the first year principal is 10,000, rate of interest is 10% per annum and time is equal to 1 year. So simple interest is equals to P into R into T by 100, that is 10,000 into 10 into 1 divided by 100, that is equal to rupees 1000. So the amount at the end of 1 year is equals to principal plus simple interest, that is rupees 10,000 plus 1,000, that is equal to rupees 11,000. So this amount at the end of the first year is going to be the principal for the second year. So for the second year, principal is equal to rupees 11,000. Rate of interest is 10% per annum and time is equal to 1 year. So simple interest equals to again P into R into T by 100, that is 11,000 into 10 into 1 by 100. So that is equal to rupees 1,100. So the amount at the end of the second year is rupees principal, that is 11,000 plus 1,100 simple interest, which is equal to rupees 12,100. Now again, since we have to find the amount for 3 years, so this amount at the end of the second year is going to be the principal for the third year. So for the third year, principal is equal to rupees 12,100. Rate of interest is 10% per annum. Time is equal to 1 year. So simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100, that is 12,100 into 10 into 1 divided by 100. So that is equals to rupees 1210. So the amount at the end of the third year is equal to principal plus simple interest, that is rupees 12,100 plus 1210, which is equal to rupees 13,310. Therefore, the amount after 3 years is rupees 13,310, and compound interest equals to amount at the end of third year minus principal at the beginning. So that is rupees 13,310 minus 10,000, which is equal to rupees 3,310. So that's all for this part. Thank you for watching.